In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDC on the Coinbase wallet app. Buying cryptocurrency might seem daunting at first, but with these simple steps, you'll find that it's a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. So, let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the entire process. First things first, you'll need to open the Coinbase wallet app on your device. Make sure you're connected to a secure and stable internet connection. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, ensure it's installed and you're all set up with your account. Once you're in the app, get ready for the next step. Once inside the app, the process starts by tapping the Buy button. This is your initiation into buying cryptocurrencies through the app, and it's your gateway to accessing a wide world of digital currencies. This step is crucial as it allows you to start choosing the specific cryptocurrency you want to purchase. In this case, we're focusing on the USDC. Now it's time to select the network on which you'll be making your purchase. For today's tutorial, select Base as the network. Network selection is important because it ensures that your transaction goes through the intended route, which can affect speed and fees associated with the transaction. Make sure you pick correctly to avoid mishaps in the transaction process. The next step is to search for and select USDC, which stands for USD coin. This is the specific cryptocurrency we're looking to purchase today. Simply type USDC into the search bar and you should see it pop up. Select it from the list and you're ready to proceed to the payment details. Now it's time to decide on your payment method. The Coinbase Wallet app provides various payment options, so choose the method that suits you best, whether it's linking a bank account or a credit card. Ensure that the payment method you choose is prepared for use and has sufficient funds for the transaction. Proceed to enter the amount of USDC you want to purchase. Be mindful of the current market prices and fees as they can fluctuate. Input the exact amount you'd like, keeping your budget and investment strategy in mind. Finally, you'll simply follow the prompts provided by the app to complete the transaction. The prompts are designed to be user-friendly, guiding you step by step until your purchase is confirmed. And there you have it. Soon after, the USDC you purchased will appear in your Coinbase wallet. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the Coinbase wallet app to purchase USDC. With practice, this process will become second nature. Remember, always keep your account and transaction details secure. Thanks for watching and happy trading.